Hey there, it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors in your Key to Memphis. And today I just wanted to talk about how long does a mortgage pre-approval last. So we've got more information about that, so stay tuned and we'll be right back. All right, so great question is how long does a pre-approval last if you're looking at trying to buy a home? And the way the market's been, honestly, I know people have gotten frustrated because last year especially the inventory was so low. We're still pretty low right now, but that should be improving, so it won't be such a feed fest kind of frenzy on finding a home and trying to make, contract on it, because there's so many other people that are vying for the same house. So hopefully that's getting better this year. So, but great question. If you did that last year, how long does it typically last? Usually it's about 3 months, because things can change. People unfortunately can lose their jobs, maybe a better job. Things can change in a lot of ways. Some people buy a car, buy furniture, so all that can affect your credit score. So typically, again, it's about 3 months for that to happen. So what is a pre-approval? If you haven't started the process yet, you're ready to buy a home and you've heard that word before, and what does that mean? So you talk to a lender, and if you're working with a realtor, they can give you, several different lenders to choose from, so you can shop around and get the best rate and the person that you feel the most comfortable with. So they're going to ask you questions. They're going to want, your tax returns. They're going to want any bills that you have, those kind of statements that they're going to take. And it's going to be a process, that's for sure. They ask for a lot of information, but the people that are loaning your money, they want to make sure that you're creditworthy, actually, and that you'll pay your bills back on time. So they ask for a lot of different things just to protect their interest for the person that's loaning you the money. So, but it's a pre-approval letter, and it'll detail that you are approved and for a dollar amount. So say you're approved for $350,000, but you don't want to spend that much. Doesn't mean that you have to, but at least you know what range that you can buy and that you're approved for. So you need that when you're able, going to buy a house too, because that seller is going to look to their agent to make sure that buyer has been pre-approved before they'll even consider, your offer. So that's a good thing to have. But again, it lasts for about 3 months. If you did it last year, you want to get back in touch with them. And, there's no need to do it unless you are ready to buy a house, or if you want to know kind of more about your credit score or where you fall and what range, it's a good thing to do it then. But, if you're still a way out, I would just wait. So anyways, if you have any other questions about that, or if you're like lenders to get pre-qualified for that, just reach out. Anybody on our team can help you and let you know about that. But we're here to help in any way. So thanks so much. Have a great day. And the number is 901-729-9526.